I travel around 300 kilometers, and I am suspecting I got a very good mileage on this bike around the range of 30. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So today I am going to do a very long ride on my new Z900, and currently I am in the outskirts of Bangalore and I am traveling to Chikmagalur. So I'll be completing around 300 kilometers of ride in one stretch. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on how my journey goes, and my bike has also completed 1000 kilometers, so I'll also give you a brief review on what I feel about the bike after completing 1000 kilometers on this. And yeah, a lot of you guys were interested asking me about a long drive review, the comfort of the seat. Unfortunately, I do not have a pillion with me. I am traveling with my family, but they are in the car behind me. And I have also dumped my luggage in the car and I am riding solo. So yeah, I'll show you some nice locations along the way. Hey guys, so we have just reached Hassan, and with this I think we have completed more than half of our journey. So I have been in the seat for around 200 kilometers now, and so far so good. I do not feel any back pain. Oh, it seems we have to take a right. Oh my god, where are we going? Doesn't seem the right way. Like always, Google Map deceived us. This it is showing to go through the village, which is not optimal. So yeah, we'll take the highway and we'll see what is the next exit it suggests. Currently we are in Hassan, as I told. I think around 100 or so kilometers must be remaining. 200 kilometers are done. I feel no back pain, no pain in the butts, no wrist pain, all good. Nothing, no tingling sensation. So yeah, it seems perfect. I'm actually in full energy now. I do not feel exhausted. This is good. One of the major reason why I'm feeling so refreshed is because I'm not carrying anything. I'm just wearing my gear like jacket, pant and boots, and I don't even have a backpack. All my things are safely stored in this car, which is going in front. My brother is driving that. So yeah, so far my first long ride, Bangalore to Chikmagalur, it's going well. For those of you who have inquired with me on the long driving capabilities of this machine, can it be used for touring? I do not see any reason to say no. So it can be absolutely used for touring. And in fact, after doing it the first time, because I was skeptical of doing directly 300 to 350 kilometers in one stretch, so far I have only took it out to max 100 or 120 in a stretch. So this was obviously like a challenge for me, both physically and mentally. I was not sure on a lot of factors, how it gonna be, will I be able to cope up with the stress, the stress, it puts you physically and mentally. But yeah, I do not actually feel any lethargy as of now. What's happening here now? So many cars piled up. Looks like a checkpoint. Looks like full traffic jam. I don't know what's going on though. The roads were so good up until now. I was cruising and I am betting my bike was giving an awesome mileage, because still almost half the tank capacity is still full, and I have traveled more than 200. If the calculations I'm doing in my mind is correct, it is giving me around 30 mileage. I think I'll have a refuel to the brim and then calculate the distance that I have covered. That way I can get some accurate sense of how much mileage I'm getting instead of just assuming. What bad condition this guy has kept his bike in. Constant knocking sound, low tire pressure in the back, rusted number plates, no helmets. Awesome. What a nice college. Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. Okay, I think that was it. That was the traffic. We should be on our way now. Oh no, there's still traffic ahead. I don't know. Let's see. I don't even know if I'm on the correct route because I closed my Google Maps. Why do people stop in the middle of the road suddenly, and then if somebody hits them from behind, they'll start making all the ruckus? I think I should probably put down Google Maps because I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, this is a safe spot. I'm thinking it will tell me to go right from here, but oh no, it's telling me to go straight and then right in the next one. Okay. Let my brother catch up to me in this traffic. So guys, we are about to reach our resort. It is showing roughly 2 kilometers away. And the resort is officially out of Chikmagalur. As you can see the board which is thanking us and asking us to visit again. Ideally, so we have left the Chikmagalur city and all the good resorts are on these hills. I love Chikmagalur. It always was my bucket list to come here on my favorite bike. And yeah, in line for the hills of Chikmagalur and this amazing weather. I would say everything lined up perfectly. Only thing I'm missing is my wife. Next time I'll bring her along. So now we'll start the ascent to the hills. I have come to Chikmagalur so many times. First time in bike, but so many times in car that it doesn't feel like a new place anymore. It's like when I'm going through places, it's like a deja vu. Like I know that I have visited this place like hundred of times before. It's a very familiar feeling. Okay, as you can see, now we are entering the green zone. Up we go. The resort we have chosen this time is particularly good. I'll show you how it is once we reach. Wow. A good amount of traffic in Chikmagalur. It's a weekend plus a long weekend because of Eid. My brother is driving in front of me and my cousins are sitting in the same car. So we four are here. Oops. Didn't see that. The road breakers which are of the color of the road is very dangerous. And those, especially these ones which are small and clubbed together. And we are here. Yes, Siri Nature Roost. I think this is... he went ahead. Yes, that's our resort. Do we have to park here or can we take inside? I don't know. साथ में ही हम लोग बाइक पार्किंग किधर है
सर आप रिजॉर्ट को बुकिंग है और कैफे
नहीं साथ में हम लोग
साथ में
हाँ
वहाँ से जा सकते
बाइक भी अंदर पार्क करो
रिसेप्शन को जाओ और फिर भी गाड़ी पूरा और आप रूम को जा
रूम तक जाता है ओह ठीक थैंक यू नाइस it seems we can carry our bike to our room. He's parking here only. Ugh. Hey guys, so we have reached the resort. Yesterday I couldn't capture after we reached because I was exhausted and we ate and then we slept, and before we knew it, it was already night time. So we are checking out today to tell you about the journey. I traveled around 300 kilometers and I am suspecting I got a very good mileage on this bike, around the range of 30, but I'll need to confirm that. So while going back, I will track it. I will, turn on the trip meter. So we'll count exactly how much kilometers we are going towards home, and then we'll do tank fill to tank fill method to calculate it on the highway. Let's hope I do not get any traffic. But yeah, yesterday's ride was amazing, and I was easily able to complete that ride. Even though this was my first long ride where I drove continuously up to about 6 hours or so, with tea breaks obviously. But yeah, so I can say that you can very comfortably use Z900 for your long touring needs. Only one problem though, if you look at the bike, there is hardly any luggage capacity because it's not an adventure bike. So you do not have those mounts where you can do. There are few companies which make custom mounts for Z900 as well, but for the new model, I am yet to get any reliable source. So I am talking with my friends at Moto Drift. They have promised me to source it from me from US. So yeah, let's see. There are a few custom companies who are working on this. So once that is sorted, then you can luggage your, you can mount your luggage, you can put a top rack, you can put a top box, and then the saddlebags and everything. For a solo rider, it still makes sense because you can put that over the back seat kind of saddlebags where you can easily carry up to 4 or 5 days of clothing and other essentials. So yeah. So after I reach, I just cleaned my chain and I have also applied a lube. So I'll wait for that to cool down. It's still around yeah, so it's around 10 o'clock, so I still have 1 hour before I check out. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the way back. I will show you some interesting shots that I have captured in Chikmagalur as well. So yeah, see you.